3D printers are revolutionary not just in the field of manufacturing but for printers in general. They literally give you the ability to create anything that your computer can design and mold. There are many products available to choose 3D printer kits, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best 3D printer kits from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Official Creality Ender 3 3D Printer Fully Open Source. Creality's Ender is an award-winning printing technology, and Comgro's printer customization comes with DIY resume print features. Aluminum material for superior and stronger build quality. Resume print feature gives you the flexibility to be able to pause and resume at will. Fast and easy to assemble in under 2 hours. Most of the machine comes with some pre-assembly and needs only 20 nuts to assemble it. Comes with advanced extruder technology with upgraded extruder. It helps in the reduction of plugging risk. Noiseless and smooth movement with the durable V-shaped palm wheels. Rapid heating of the hotbed from regular to 110 degrees C in just under 5 minutes. Highly rated and reviewed product. Perfect for beginners. Great gift for kids too. Upgraded technology. Number 2. Longer LK4 3D printer 90% pre-assembled. This FDM printer comes with a user-friendly touchscreen that increases the usability of the machine. A 2.8 inches full-color display touchscreen with a user-friendly UI. Makes model previews and offline printing processes much easier. Heating bed with a unique tempered glass plate for the resolution of warped bed issues. Comes with a sturdy aluminum frame for longevity. The printer is equipped with a uniquely developed, intelligent, and user-friendly operating system. Resume and recover printing functionalities included. In case of power outages or power loss, the printer remembers the printing presets, and when the power comes back, it resumes back the printing. The power supply is hidden and placed below the flatbed to ensure proper safety for the users. The printer comes with 12 months of warranty and also round-the-clock support. Highly reviewed and rated product. Good UX and UI, making it easy to use printer for beginners and intermediates alike. Number 3. AYCUI Mega S Upgrade FDM 3D Printer. This FDM printer works great for beginners, as it comes with a user-friendly touchscreen. It is quick and easy to assemble the printer with 3 simple steps, which save your time and let you enjoy printing and creation. Its high-quality Titan extruder is compatible with most filaments and thus provides precise extrusion for printing and reduce plugging risk. The rigid metal frame of this printer will minimize the shaking and thus improve the print quality. This Mega S 3D printer will resume printing after power outage or any other unexpected stoppage. It has sensor detection that pauses prints and sets off an alarm when you're running out of filament. Its ultra-base printing platform surface has patented microporous coating with adhesion when printing and falls off bed when it cooled. It has TFT touchscreen for an easy to operate. It has printing volume of 8, 27x8, 27x8, 7 inches, and positing accuracy is X, Y 0.0125 mm, Z 0.002 mm. It supports print on materials like PLA, HIPS, ABS, PET, TPU, and wood, and has SD card and data cable support connectivity. Its one-piece hanging design of suspended filament rack will make storage of filament more convenient. Perfect option for beginners and kids. Upgraded technology. Easy and quick assembly. User-friendly TFT touchscreen. Filament sensor with auto pause if filament runs out. Ultra base with excellent adhesion for easy removal. AYCUI provides lifetime technical support. Number 4. Creality 3D Printer. Creality Ender 3 Pro 3D Printer. The Ender Pro is one of the best 3D printers from the brand Creality, and moreover, it is available in a budget-friendly price range. The heated bed can reach its operating temperature in just 5 minutes. The printer is shielded by its power supply from voltage spikes and power outages. If electrical power is lost, prints can be resumed from the last layer, saving time and reducing waste. Improvements to the Y-axis improve stability, and the alteration of the control box unit move the fan to the bottom of the unit, make every printing works perfectly. Our all-new magnetic bed surface for easy model removal is included stock on the Ender 3 Pro. Easily remove the magnetic print surface from the hotbed and remove models with no spatula or razor necessary. The brand power supply delivers more power with a stable output, ensuring the temperature fluctuations are minimized, especially during long and intensive prints. Heat the hotbed faster and to higher temperatures before making the Ender 3 Pro a much better option for printing ABS and other high-temperature, high-strength filaments. Number 5. Snapmaker 2.0 Modular 3-in-1 3D Printer A350T divided by A250T. The 2.0 3D printer from the Snapmaker is a combination of excellent features and quality. It is perfect for both beginners and professionals alike. Snapmaker 3D Printer A250T offers a large work area of 230 x 250 x 235 mm, and A350T expands it to 320 x 350 x 330 mm, where you can make large prototypes or multiple smaller objects in one go. A350T divided by A250T can be personalized with a wide variety of modules and add-ons. For a greater level of applications, we have enclosure, rotary module, emergency stop button, can hub, and air purifier available now. And there are more to come. The new power module uses a much quieter fan whose speed can be adjusted automatically according to the real-time temperature, realizing a noise level decrease of about 16 dB so that you can truly focus on your making. Quieter printing doesn't necessarily mean slower speed. Snapmaker accordingly increases the leads of the X and Y axis screw rods from 8 mm to 20 mm, ensuring a stable and fast working speed. Snapmaker Lubin, Wi-Fi connectivity, 5 inches touchscreen, power loss recovery, easy to assemble. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.